Okay, so here is the best way on how you can get a free private server on Blox Fruits Roblox. So make sure you watch the tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, you simply need to go to Roblox, and here as you can see, once you open it up, you just need to type in Blox Fruits, and yeah, just search it up like that, and here we go. Now you just gotta open up the game, and once you open it up, it'll show up like this. You just gotta scroll down until you see the option of servers. Go ahead and press on servers. And right inside server, you'll be able to see that it's not for free, it's for 200 Robux. But there is an alternative way. What you can do, just simply go to numbers of player, and right over here you gotta choose ascending. And here as you can see, here's only like 1 out of 12 people. So what you can do is just join a random server out of these, and what these people will do will play for a while, and then they will leave. And after they leave, you'll have the server all by yourself. Like, you can just make it private and just play it for yourself, and no one would be able to join. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.